Beautiful friends, welcome back again to the garden. I'm home. I was off yesterday and I'm gonna check the backyard because yesterday I was working. Oh my God. I was working in the backyard yesterday, friends, by remove all those weeds, cleaning some section in the garden, doing all those things. Oh my God, it's so peaceful. Today is my day for me to go check on those garden center. I want to go in Lowe's because I want more flowers. Because I've been working hard, guys. I've been really working really hard, but I think I deserve to buy more flowers. Look at this section over there. I'm almost done cleaning this. Hey, my love. Hey, my sweet baby. Come say good morning. Good morning, friends. She's my baby. Yeah, I remember this was, guys, was really a big one. And then look at her face. I love it. Hi, mama. I love you so much. Oh my God. Yes, I think this one was really, this is a Aiden was beautiful climbing walls, guys. But she's right here. I need to trim her. I just trim her. Look at how she's pushing out. Beautiful. And then she's not really, I'm not really taking care of her. And she's showing off. But I want to take that branch and pull it all the way up over there. All my arches, guys, all come apart. It's fine. But yeah, that's the garden, guys. I was working in this section yesterday. It was so hot. My arm get burned. I was like almost crying. But it is beautiful. I need to drop my son to school this morning. And after that, I will come back. Sorry about those mess over there. But I will come back and then clean it out. Cut these trees and find something to make that hose climbing there. And then that will be a nice place to look every morning when I'm home. Usually I work, I work night shift. That means to have this one, that would be really nice. That's where I got my AC unit. That used to be a big, beautiful flowers here, but they die. I hope they can push back, but they die. I need to come clean this section out, guys. That's me cleaning out. As if you guys go on my video back, like from even like 6 months ago, to see a year, to see how beautiful this garden was. Guys, I couldn't even see the sky. That's how much I used to have a lot of big, beautiful mangoes, a lot of avocados, flowers everywhere. That was a paradise, guys. But I decided to move and then I remove everything and the cold came, kill everything again. That's making it that way, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's me in the process cleaning the backyard. Guys, if you're not subscribing yet, subscribe, and I really appreciate you all. Have a blessed day.